Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today we have an aerial showdown between the Idea brushless motor drone and the Toy brushless motor drone. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the price. The Idea drone is priced at $89, while the Toy drone comes in at $99. Reviewers generally find the Idea to be a budget-friendly option, while Toy's slightly higher price is justified by some additional features. Next up, camera quality. The Idea features a 4K Sony sensor with a 90 degrees field of view, which many reviewers appreciate for its clear and sharp images. On the other hand, the Toy boasts a 4K adjustable lens with a 120 degrees field of view, winning praise for its versatility and wide-angle shots. When it comes to flight stability and motor power, the Idea offers stable hovering with its brushless motor, a feature that users find reliable for both indoor and outdoor flying. Meanwhile, the Toy also has brushless motors, but takes it a step further with enhanced altitude hold and wind resistance, which several reviewers find impressive. Battery life is another critical factor. The Idea comes with two 1,200 mAh batteries, giving you a total of 20 minutes of flight time. Reviewers note that this is adequate for short flights. However, the Toy shines with its two 1,600 mAh batteries, providing up to 40 minutes of flight time, a feature that many users appreciate for extended flying sessions. Finally, let's discuss obstacle avoidance and extra features. The Idea has 360 degrees obstacle avoidance suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, which many users find helpful to prevent crashes. The Toy also has 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, but is limited to indoor use, which some reviewers find restrictive for outdoor adventures. Overall, reviews for the Idea brushless motor drone highlight its affordability and well-rounded features, making it a great choice for beginners and casual flyers. The Toy brushless motor drone, on the other hand, is praised for its extended battery life, versatile camera, and robust flight stability, making it a favorite among more serious drone enthusiasts. So, there you have it. Idea, with its affordable price and comprehensive obstacle avoidance, versus Toy with its extended battery life and versatile camera. Which one should you buy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which drone you'd pick and why. Smash that like button if you had fun, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic comparisons. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.